Hello, I'm going to show how to use light leaks as transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro, as well as a few tips to make the transitions more impactful. It's not specific to Premiere Pro. This easy technique can be used in any video editor and can make some interesting transitions between scenes. It's most impactful when the transition has some form of continuity between the first and second scenes. This can be in the form of content, color, or even motion. In this first example, it's motion. We go from a camera push-in toward the mirror to a dolly zoom into the stone archway. Just drag your light leaks clip over the transition between the two clips. My sequence is 4K and this leak is not, so you just go to Clip, Video Options, Set to Frame Size, and you may need to adjust the scale a little bit to make sure it completely covers the frame. Most light leaks are against a black background and you'll need to change the blend mode to screen. This particular clip is a bit too long for this transition, so I'm going to change the speed to 200%. This leak is nice as it goes to full frame white right about here. One key point is to line up that point with the middle of your transition. And when you do that, it completely covers the transition and you don't need a fade underneath it. The second transition is also connected with motion, a dolly zoom on the first and a push in on the second. We'll do the same thing with this leak clip, put it over the transition, set to frame size, make sure it covers it, set the blend mode to screen, and I'll change it to 300% because it is so long. This leak never has a place where it covers the full screen, so it really helps to do a cross dissolve underneath to really sell it. Here we have two clips connected by a shape. The straight road in the first one, and this black gap in the middle on the second one. Some leaks just don't work that well for transitions. The best candidates start out dark, build up to something bright, and then go back to dark. This one does not start out with dark, and it never completely covers the frame. And it even doesn't end at completely dark. We can try it, and we can change the speed a little bit. It is too slow. But you see the jump underneath? That's not great. Even if we apply that cross dissolve, it's still not the best. If it was just the fading in problem, we can fix that with adding a cross dissolve on the leak itself. And that helps with it not being so jarring at the beginning, but it still doesn't sell the transition very well. This one works much better. As it goes to mostly white, right about here. Put that over the transition. There we go. And that's how you use light leaks as a transition.